Welcome back. My name is Emily with CabinetNow.com, and in today's video I will be going over our cabinet box materials and showing you what each piece looks like as well as where it goes in the assembly process. So let's get started. All of our ready-to-assemble cabinet boxes are made with the solid hardwood face frame and 1/2 inch Pure Bond brand formaldehyde-free plywood sides, back, and bottom. The interior of our boxes come pre-finished with a UV-resistant maple. The exterior of our cabinet boxes are unfinished so that you can paint or stain them to match the rest of your space. Our face frames are available in alder, silver maple, maple, red oak, white oak, cherry, hickory, and walnut. For our base cabinets, the toe kick is 4 inches tall and recessed 3 inches. The stiles and rails of the face frame are 1/2 inch. The side panels and bottom panel are 1/2 inch, and the back panel is 1/4 inch. The stiles and rails for these cabinets are 1.5 inches thick. These cabinet boxes can be built using only wood glue, so you don't have to worry about buying or renting a nail or a staple gun. Our upper cabinets are very similar to the base cabinets with just a few exceptions. Of course, you won't have a toe kick, but the sides, top, and bottom panels are all the same thickness. The bottom rail stays 1.5 inches thick, while the top rail is a bit larger at 2.25 inches thick. Overall, our cabinet box construction is simple and reliable. If you need more information, feel free to check out our other cabinetry assembly videos for a step-by-step guide on how to build your cabinet boxes at home. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to chat, call, or leave us a comment below. We're always happy to help. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more cabinetry trends.